Kaka.
Yes, who is there?
Damio. Little girl, how are you?
Good afternoon.
Afternoon. Can I be taller sister?
Yes.
You don't big go. Don't be that girl with the bone that day. Where you dey crawl? See? Mutu yo. What tallest for me? Na tallest I can see.
No less.
Now wow. So they grow nowadays, eh? They be fertilizer. No. Half an hour, my guy. I surprised you. I see your younger sister. She come big. Person wey dey say e dey crawl that day. They be like boiler. What those far wey be say any small thing they be. See am. Give me this one now. You say you too do. Yesterday you use one taste sleep. The other day you use one taste sleep overnight. You say you too do. Give me this one make I take. You understand now? At least e no fat. E not too slim. E dey portable na my. You know say na my spec with this. You know. See now. You never have back. No worry. You know what? After tonight, I'll give you money to go and do your hair. I be give her. Na me dey give am babe. Na me dey supply with babe. This also. And I mean,
want to say something?
Oh boy, you don't talk to me. Now, see, just be this. Now, the senior one be this.
Wait. The one where you tell me say it comes.
Yes, now we don't born. Now she be this.
Good afternoon, ma.
I don't blame you.